Now today let's start with unit 5, that is around the world. So let's start with chapter number 40, that is the house we build. So we build different types of houses. The first one is, this is your grass house. ये क्या है आपका ग्रास हाउस है, राइट. एंड देन सेकंड वन इज बार्क विगवैम. ये क्या है आपका बार्क wigwam. Next one is your sand house. This is bamboo. This is bamboo house. This is stilt house. Sixth one is, it is tree house. Now seventh one, cliff dwelling. Eighth one is this is boat house. This is igloo. Now last one is sand house. This is cave house. Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 41, money world. So let's study about the money world. The earliest known coins were made during 7th century BC in Lydia, which is today located in, कहाँ located है? It is located in Turkey. Next is the earliest coin made from mixture of gold and silver, that is electrum. We call it electrum. Before they made coins, the people of Thailand, they weighed and used dash as money. उन्होंने किसका यूज करा था? They use core shell, कूरी shell. The Chinese at first used dash as a coin. Chinese ने सबसे पहले किसका यूज करा था as a coin? That is queen. Next is Chinese coin were later made from bronze and it introduced by the China by the first emperor of. किसके emperor थे? Dash dynasty in India. In 1920, bars of rock shells were widely used for cooking as well as money as what? Silver ring. The largest gold reserve. The largest gold reserve is found in USA. Banks were first set up at 1770. In Dash temple, actors bank and issued their own money. Religious. The first bank, as we know today, set up by किसने set up करा था? मेडिगिन. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 42, world famous building. This is Dome of Rock. This is Burj Khalifa. Right? This is Lotus Temple. This is longest bridge. This is Taj Mahal. This is Sydney Opera House. Right? Next one is, this is White House. This is Burj Khalifa. Next one is Hawa Mahal. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 43, daily news. So here you have to match the countries with the newspaper. India, Times of India. Japan, F. Germany, China, China Daily, USA, H. France, I. Egypt is A. UK, E. or UAE. Right? Now move to the next chapter. Chapter number 44, dress up. So here you have to write the names of the dress. So a long dress, white sleeves. Right? It is worn by Japanese women. That is kimono. Next is a clock made from large piece of cloth. It is worn by women in South America. That is pantry horse. Next one is a short woolen skirt worn by Scotsmen in the national costume of Scotland. It is kits. Next is fourth one, a colorful cloth handkerchief made, that is frock. Fifth one is a loose wrap round garment, very popular in Malaysia, that is gown. Sixth one is a long garment worn by monks and nuns. मतलब monks पहनते हैं और आपके nuns पहनते हैं. That is top. It is a coat with hood. That is jacket. And a woman wear a dress. Indian की national dress, साड़ी. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 45, United Nation, that is UN. यूनाइटेड नेशन मतलब आपका यूएन क्या है, यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इसका एम क्या था, इंटरनेशनल पीस को मेंटेन करना. राइट, नाउ लेट्स स्टडी हियर. फर्स्ट इज यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डैश फर्स्ट केम. द यूएस का प्रेसिडेंट कौन थे, रोजवेल्ट. Next is UN was successfully into another international organization created in 1990 and it was called as League of Nations. We call it League of. The headquarter of UN ने कहाँ located है, न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में. Originally in 1945 these were dash members country. These were dash member country. 192 member country and 50 and presently 50 countries are the member of. Originally कितने थे, 50, और आज के टाइम पे अगर हम बात करें तो कितने हैं, 192. फर्स्ट रेगुलर सेशन जो यूएनओ का हेल्ड हुआ था वो कब कहाँ हुआ था, लंदन में. Now take the correct option. There are 6 principal. There are 6 principal organ of the UN. से take them. 1 ये हो गया आपका इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस और इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल और आपकी जनरल असेंबली और सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल. राइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 46, ब्रांड नेम्स, इंडस्ट्री एंड पंचलाइन. So Nike, Nike क्या है आपका, स्पोर्ट्स वियर. स्पोर्ट्स वियर. नेक्स्ट इज नोकिया, मोबाइल. मोबाइल सर्विस. रीड एंड टेलर, क्लोथिंग. मारुति सुजुकी, ऑटोमोबाइल. स्पेस जेट, एयरलाइंस. सिटी बैंक, बैंकिंग सर्विस. दूरदर्शन, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. एयरटेल. मोबाइल सर्विस, नोकिया मोबाइल. रेमेंस, क्लोथिंग. गिलेट, शेविंग एसेसरीज. लेस, चिप्स. पंजाब नेशनल, बैंकिंग सर्विस. एलजी, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक. बिग बाजार, रिटेल. एडलैब, राइट. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is Parliament. Poland, Sejm. Germany, China, National People Congress. कॉर्टेस, ईरान की मैरिज. एंड स्विट्जरलैंड, यूएसए हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, डेनमार्क फ्लोरते, इंडिया का पार्लियामेंट है, जापान का डाइट है, राइट? Now our unit has been completed. Hope you understood. Now let's move to the next unit. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.